and welcome back to my channel where it's never too late to take a dip down the rabbit hole. Today on Rising Swan Designs we are unboxing my very first Blythe doll. Genuine Blythe doll, I should add. Now this is Blythe Dark Rabbit Hole, and she has been my Grail doll for about a year and a half now. A Grail doll is a doll that you've been searching for and you haven't been able to find, and you really want it. It's kind of like the Holy Grail. So I was able to pick this baby up on Facebook Marketplace for a very discounted price because unfortunately she's not mint in box and she has got a few things missing and damaged. But it was heavily discounted and I've been searching for her for so long I couldn't resist. Okay, let's get unboxing. Now she has arrived in her original Takara Tomy box. I don't know if it's worth any value, but I'm not going to damage it. Okay, here we go. Oh. Okay, so here is the box, which looks in very good condition. With Blythe dolls, the boxes are just as valuable as the dolls, so if you get one, do not throw away the box. You will need it if you ever resell. Okay, ooh, she's even prettier out of the plastic. Okay, so we've got a Alice in Wonderland design on the side and on the other side, and we've got her details down here. Oh, and one on the top and the bottom as well. All right. Oh, okay. Okay, so this piece here must be for the stand. So, okay, let's just open this up. Put that over here. Okay, here we go. It's all been nicely packaged and wrapped up. Okay, so here is the stand. It comes in two pieces. So this must have been the part from the box that has been removed. Okay, so I never knew about that. So that must be something with every Blythe that you can add a little bit extra to the stand. All right. Whew, okay. First of all, we've got the dress, which has been printed with the suit of cards. So it's got the diamond, the hearts, the club, and the spade. It also has two beads sewn on each side. Looks like for the buttons. It's a very stiff material. It honestly feels like drill, so it's not a regular thin cotton. It's also got a little gold necklace with a key sewn into the collar. That's very cute. Also comes with a headband in the matching dress fabric, so it's got the Alice in Wonderland suit of cards up there as well. I think that might be, okay, so that's all her red clothing. Now I think we're missing the shoes and socks and a pair of bloomers, but I've got shoes and socks somewhere and I can make a pair of bloomers, so that's fine. But this is why the doll was so heavily discounted, because there's pieces missing. And unfortunately, the main piece of her costume is damaged. So this is her apron that she wears over the dress, and it's been fabric painted on the apron that it's got a whole lot of different cards here. So it's like the 6 of clubs, the 3 of diamonds, the king of hearts. And unfortunately, it looks like it has been put in this plastic bag and then it's got hot, or it's stuck to the bag and it's stuck to the bag and it's just all come off the fabric. So yeah, and it's still actually stuck to the fabric here. I don't actually know if I want to remove it or not. Okay, let's just do it. Let's just remove it. I really don't think this is going to work, and I think I'm going to have to replace this whole apron. Oh, look how much is coming off on the plastic. Oh no. It's even coming off on my finger. Whew, I got it separated. Okay, so you can see how much fabric paint there is on the plastic, which means it has completely ruined the print on the apron. Oh, there's one tiny bit that's not quite as damaged. But yeah, overall this apron is completely ruined. And I will probably have to remake this and try and fabric paint my own suit of cards on the fabric. Oh, what a shame. Oh, that breaks your heart, doesn't it? Okay, now we are down to the doll. Oh, that's nice. Her box is actually decorated as well, so that's nice. So I could actually use the box as her little display cabinet. Okay. So she's been all nicely wrapped up by the previous owner. Now I think she's nude, so if you don't want to see doll nudity, please click off. Here she is. Oh! I have waited so long to meet you. Ah, she is lovely. She's got little earrings in and everything. Little heart earrings. Gorgeous. Now her hair is a very light grey colour, almost, I'd probably say it's a silver colour, and it is a little bit greasy, but it's not crispy or clunky, or there's no chunks sticking together. So I'll just give her a little light wash, I think, to get any like greasiness out, and then I might use the talcum powder techniques, which dries up any more of that stickiness. So as of course with the Blythe doll, she's got changeable eyes and a pull string down here. So a little trick that I recently learned is that when you're pulling the pull string to change the eyes, you don't pull the pull string down, you pull the pull string horizontally. So if we do this, did it change? Oh, they changed. Excellent. Beautiful. So let's go. So it's a lot smoother eye change than in the fake dolls. You've really got to yank on that chain. Lovely. Oh, I'm so happy with her. Okay, should... Just thinking. So now we've unboxed her, I think I want to dress her up. Okay, let's dress her up. Okay, here she is. The original stockings were black and white in a diamond pattern. Now, I didn't have any, but I had these black and white striped stockings, so I'll just put them on her. And the original shoes that she had were also red, so I've managed to find a pair of them. So she's nearly looking exactly like she did originally, except for that apron. Now I do have another Alice in Wonderland set that I made myself. So if I can't fix the apron that she originally came with, I might just pop this on her so she's got a little apron so it looks more like the Alice in Wonderland character. I think I might also take her necklace off her dress because I have another little gold necklace somewhere that's actually got the white rabbit on it, so I think that would be more fitting in with the character. But overall, I am so happy with this doll, and I can't wait to display her. I'm ecstatic. I'm so ecstatic. Okay, thank you very much for joining me for another unboxing video. I think my next video is going to be a dress tutorial for the Halloween twins, I think. That should be ready in a couple weeks, so join me then. Okay, bye everyone!